In this video, we're going to talk about disposable dependencies. In .NET, the built-in dependency injection container is responsible for managing the lifetimes and disposal of objects it creates, particularly those that implement iDisposable. So when a type implements iDisposable, the dependency injection container will automatically call the dispose method on it at the appropriate time, depending on its registered lifetime. Back to our solution. Let's right-click our Blazor web app project and select Add Class and name the class Disposable Type and click Add. Let's assume that this type refers to some unmanaged resource. So this type needs to implement the iDisposable interface, which contains the dispose method. And within the implementation of the dispose method, we're just going to write some information to the console, say disposable type getting disposed. Now let's use property injection to inject this disposable type into our addBook component. And finally, go to our simple book catalog service collection extensions class and register our disposable type as a scoped service. Now let's run our application and navigate to the addBook component by going to /add-book. Remember, this is one scope because it is one HTTP request. Let's create two more scopes by opening two additional tabs. Now if we go to the console, we see our disposable type getting disposed message 3 times. This is because the dependency injection container created a new instance of disposable type for each scope or request. And at the end of each scope, the DI container automatically invoked the dispose method on each disposable type instance. Now let's change our disposable type registration to add singleton and run our application and navigate to the addBook component. And let's create two new scopes by opening two additional tabs. And if we go back to the console, we don't see our message. This is because the disposable type is registered as a singleton, and singletons live for the lifetime of the application, and it's only when the application shuts down the dependency injection container will invoke its dispose method. Now note that if you register a service using an object directly, like for example services.addSingleton and passing in new disposable type, then the DI container does not invoke the dispose method on the disposable type instance automatically. We are responsible for disposing of it.